if you are picking up this unit specifically just for the bangs, just know they are not going to be like they were on the stock card. Can we talk about the fact that the bangs do not look like how they do on the stock card? You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair out of you made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, I'm going to be reviewing a new sensational unit for you guys. I know you see this thing on my head. So I'm wearing this unit in the style Sensationnel Selene in the color number 2. So let's just pop into the specs, shall we? So this unit is heat friendly from 350 to 400 degrees. It is just a simple wig. It's like an all-in-one sort of wig, so there's no lace at all, honey. So it does have 2 combs super close right in the front, right at the bang area, so they're not spaced apart as they normally are. You get 1 comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps. So the density on it I actually really do like. I feel like it's more on the fuller side, so if I had to guess, I want to definitely say this is about 150%. The texture on the hair is definitely like a Blowout Yaki, so I do really like that a lot. The length is very natural and I am a fan of that for sure. I don't think this unit is really big head friendly. I have a smaller size head and I haven't adjusted the straps at all, and it already is fitting my head kind of snug. There's not really any styles that you could do with it because, like I said, it's a full wig. So I did try to do something a little bit different because I wasn't feeling how it was looking just straight down. So number 1, I did decide to pop on a headband, which is super cute. And then number 2, I decided to like throw it up in a little ponytail just to see what I could get away with. You can kind of see what's going on up here. I tried to use the headband to camouflage this situation that's going on up here. I definitely could feel like this is probably a cute one you could rock with a hat because you wouldn't have to worry about none of your business showing. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, my only con that I have with it is the fact that the bangs do not look like the stock card. I do not know how to cut bangs. I tried a little bit, because the bangs were super long and definitely not how I expected. They were kind of long and feathered. I kind of wanted that straight across look that shows on the stock card, kind of like a little bit above my eyebrows, but I don't know how to do that and I didn't want to ruin the look too much. So I'm definitely disappointed that the bangs do not look how they are in the stock card, and they pulled a little itty bitty baby catfish. The initial bangs that I had out of the box, they did not look like this. So like I said, that's my only con. My pros for the unit are, I do think the texture is really nice. I didn't get any tangling or any shedding, and I don't necessarily really expect to get any because this texture is like, it's surprisingly really nice. I really like the fact that it's like Yaki-ish. It feels really good. I like the little curls that they threw in it. I feel like it looks like realistic. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I'll see you soon. Bye.